Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of the POS Product BOM Bundle Odoo application by BrowseInfo. It allows user to sell the combo or bundled products in the point of sale using a bill of materials structure. It simplifies the combo product management by automatically including all sub-products or ingredients when selling a bundled product. So for the first step, I have already configured the database, and now I'm just moving forward with the point of sale module, and under the product I'm creating one product. So here I have already created one product. So for the first step you have to select this POS BOM product checklist, and after that I'm just going with the products, and here you will find another option for the bill of material product. So here I have created one bill of material for the donuts structure. So under that I have added the three products, and I'm just confirmed it, so it is in the confirmed state. Now I'm just going to continue selling with the bakery shop, and here you can find our product. Now I'm just going to select the same and make the payment, selecting the customer and validate the same. So here you can see our order is completed successfully. Now I'm just going to the backend, and I'm selecting the orders. So here you can find our recently made order for the donuts is completed. I'm just moving with this picking operations, and here you can see the three bill of material products and our finished good product donuts. All the quantities are reflected here. Now I'm just going with the products. So you can see the quantity is reduced for this all four products. Thanks for watching. With these applications, users can easily create the POS combo products with the multiple components and manage their inventory accurately. When a POS order is confirmed, the delivery picking automatically includes all the BOM items, deducting each component from the stock. This ensures a smooth handling of product bundles and combo sales directly in the POS. If you have any questions or doubts, mention them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the BrowseInfo channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates.